Today iQOO is scheduled to unveil the highly anticipated iQOO 15. While the brand has already confirmed numerous details regarding its forthcoming flagship device, the official pricing is reserved for the launch event. Nevertheless, a recently leaked image has confirmed that the iQOO 15 will be offered in 4 distinct configurations: 16GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 512GB, 16GB plus 512GB, and 16GB plus 1TB. These variants are priced at 4,699 yuan, approximately $660, 4,799 yuan, approximately $675, 5,099 yuan, approximately $715, and 5,599 yuan, approximately $785, respectively. The leaked image further indicates that the iQOO 15 will be available in 4 color options: Lingyun, Silver Red, Legend Edition, White, Wilderness, Green, and Racing Edition, Black. Additionally, it highlights several key specifications including the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, iQOO's proprietary Q3 chip, a Samsung display with 2K resolution, and a robust 7000 mAh battery. It is worth noting that the 16GB plus 256GB variant of the iQOO 13 was previously priced at 4,299 yuan, approximately $600. This indicates that the iQOO 15, with an identical configuration, will be priced 400 yuan, approximately $50, higher than its predecessor. The iQOO 15 is also slated for an Indian launch next month. While specific pricing for the Indian market has not yet been confirmed based on the China pricing, it is anticipated that the base variant could be priced around 60,000 rupees.